Right, so we've been called to this sort of thermal system today. It's hasn't been working for a while. Quite a few people have had a look at it. It's not the one I've seen before. It's a clear line system, so we'll do a bit of research on that. It's got zero pressure, no mains voltage into here, so I'll have to trace that out. Expansion vessels look good. The pump's recently been changed because we've got an old one down there. So, and people can't make it work. Let's get it done. So, I've got an issue with that two-pot valve. There's no drawings, no instructions, so we're running a bit blind here. So we've got it down to this wiring here. So we're just going to prove that we can get the system working. We know the two-pot valve's a bit dodgy. That's going to send a signal back to enable the solar controller. So let's measure the voltage and see where the problem is. Right, so we've replaced the two-pot valve, which has made everything work. So I've been asked to do a fill and a flush. So fill with glycol and then flush the air out of the system. However, glycol is usually clear or blue, so this suggests it's gone through fourth or fifth stage of stagnation where the glycol just completely breaks down. Also, on these, you've got a temperature sensor here, and that temperature sensor should go into the cylinder. So that tells the system what it's achieving. On this temperature sensor here, it's on the return out from the cylinder. So the return back to the bottom of the solar panels. It should be in there because it's going to give you a false reading there because you're only going to measure the pipe temperature. So what I need to do is move that up into here and put it into here, put it into using this pocket here. Normally on this system you get like a solar pocket where you can put your sensor in. So let's get to it. So that's the system working. So we've got system pressure in, sun's just come out so you can see the pressure's gone up as the temperature's gone up. So I need to get on to the contractor because that's not a solar pump, so that's going to need changing. We've changed the two-pot valve head, which has made the system work, and we've repositioned the sensor from the pipe into the cylinder as per the manual. And the only problem that I can see on this one, which is another recommendation, is there's no thermostatic mixing valve. Normally you put that between your cold and your hot, so you can guarantee you're not going to get scalded. So that's another recommendation to the contractor. Right, on to the next one.